If any of the external user who are not the part of this current organization, they want to set up a meeting with the admin, that can also happen. The admin will have to share this booking link with them. So you can see in the calendar homepage, just above the calendar view, we have this booking link button. So as soon as the admin clicks on that, a new page will open up. So the admin can share this link with all of these users, and then those users who are external, they can book a meeting with the admin. So as you can see in this page, all the details which are required for booking up the meeting is present. So the user can select the duration for the meeting, then they can select the time. Suppose on 28th they want to have the meeting with the admin, then they'll select the time. Then they'll describe what kind of a user type are they, whether they're a student, a parent, or a tutor. Once they selected that, they'll enter their name. Once all the details have been entered by the user, their name and email ID, they can add any additional details if they wish for. Once they've done that, the user would click on schedule meeting. So now you can see that a meeting with the admin has been scheduled for this user. So this is how the external members who are not the part of the organization can set up a meeting with the admin. The admin will just have to share this booking link with them. And once they do that, the users would be able to set up a meeting.